So got a bit of a patch in the lawn where it's wet as, so we might have a leaky pipe under there somewhere, just to show you that the other bit of the lawn isn't that wet. But this is really sodden, so I've stuck this little stick through the ground to try feel for where the pipe is. But unfortunately under this lawn there's heaps of bricks and stuff, so it keeps hitting things, so I'm just going to have a guess of where it is. So I'll dig her out and see where we can find. So I've dug the top layer off, and see it's pooling in there. What do you want, Nosy Parker? Yeah, so we'll dig a bit deeper and have a look, see what we can find. So found where the pipe is. It's on that side there. You can see where the water's bubbling up. Yeah, so yeah, this is going to be full up with water in no time. Okay, so I turned the Toby off at the front there, so it stopped the filling up with water, and we'll just clean that out, find the pipe in question, which is on that far side there. They've hidden the mains pipe, which is where the problem is. The black one underneath the white one there. That one. So we're just got to figure out where the split is in it and replace it. So I better dig a bit of working room around it so we can get access to it. Alright. Found the pipe in question, and luckily we found where the slit is in the pipe. So now we've got to cut a section out. I don't know if you can see it. This pipe here. We've got to cut a section out of it, and then get another piece, and then get some adapters or fittings, and then we'll just screw another one in place. So we turned the mains back on and it started spitting out of this little bit. So I've cut a section out using this tool, thanks to Mike, the neighbour. And now we're just going to attach it on down here. the help of a neighbour. He supplied us the parts so we don't have to buy them. Awesome, cheers mate. We've managed to fix it. So we've got the blue pipe here and some connectors. We'll just fill it in and go have a shower, I guess.
Get to it.
You're right, yeah.
I can't help because I'm videoing, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought that. Thanks for watching. See ya. Look out, worm.
Oh, I'll have him for my veggie garden.
Okay.
Pass him?
Come on.
Thank you. Come on, wormy. Let's go. I used to be scared of worms when I was little. Thanks to my brother throwing them at me. Thanks, David. Look at me, I'm not scared of them anymore. Alright, here's our new vegetable garden that I did this morning. There you go, wormy. Oops. Hopefully I didn't just dig up the carrots I planted this morning.
Okay, so I guess we just got to wait for the grass to grow and we'll flatten her out a bit more and job done. So here's the hole, can't really see it, it's just this little bit here, and with the mains pressure going through it, it was squirting out quite a bit.